The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump of May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost strongly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some union, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 28 cents. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will find opportunity to recuperate from this ruin before it can turn productive. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and business analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the state-of-the-art existence. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely adaptable. Subsequently, they instituted the advantage of utilizing verification of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its free blockchain framework with its agreement instrument, block validators, and make more kid chains of its own. Algorand, the ALGO token. Algorand Organization's group has created interface libraries that will be a trailblazer. The organization likewise brought a one-of-a-kind token ALGO that is currently a significant hit at the prestigious trades coordinating speed with other digital currency. Vantage ALGO, the immense potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most reduced charges. Algorand savvy agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, irreversibility, security, and cost viability. Algorand can consequently implement custom principles and rationale, from just characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Algorand are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and PyTeal, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their exhibition and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will generally send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand shrewd agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Algorand, exhibiting the future Phi. The strength of Algorand lies in its component, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the ALGO token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi environment with Solana according to their declaration to give improved interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that merchants that are utilizing Sparkle can share their computerized tokens to Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Algorand coin has seen a great deal of acknowledgement in the ongoing year. One of the top organizations is among FIFA and Algorand. The Algorand organization will turn into the authority blockchain of FIFA. In this association, Algorand will help FIFA in fostering the advanced resources technique, while FIFA will give sponsorship resources. El Salvador has additionally cooperated with Algorand to make blockchain framework. Another significant organization is among Algorand and Symbol. But this reconciliation, Algorand will have a security join forces with the BTP coordination. This will assist the Algorand with systems administration be more different and energetic. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. As per Algorand Expectation 2023, with any progressions in strategies and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of foggy days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost figure, the coin could cruise tranquilly around 50 cents with a most extreme cost of 68 cents and least cost of 30 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play steady. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Assuming Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and essentials, the ALGO coin could reflect enormous development in the impending years. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation to find that Algorand cost will scale to a pinnacle of 75 cents, which is plus 127.27% to the most recent costs. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 40 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Algorand has proactively taken on the POS component and accordingly has tremendous development anticipated in the forthcoming years. The future value energy is really splendid for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 90 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. Having seen a huge DApp reception in the past pushed the cost of Algorand. The organization is very well known, with various tasks based on it, given the progressions are kept up with. The Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a greatest cost of $1, which is plus 203.03% of Algorand cost today. The street ahead. Will ALGO value ascend in 2030? As per Algorand Cost Expectation 2030, the anticipated crypto cost will exchange above $1.50 by 2030. The ALGO coin will ascend to $2 by December 2030, addressing an enormous upturn of plus 500% to the ongoing cost at the hour of composing the video. As per our drawn-out ALGO cost forecast, the Algorand cost could reach 5 cents. With a 5-year venture, your ongoing speculation might be degraded. The Algorand figure appraises the greatest cost to hit 3 cents toward the finish of 2023 and 2 cents toward the start of 2024. ALGO cost expectation expresses that future costs would cross $4, and its return for money invested rate will be around 1,080.9%. So with a 5-year HODL, it will merit wagering on Algorand digital currency. As per our Algorand Cost Expectation 2023, the token is anticipated to cross a normal cost of 46 cents to start with. The normal greatest cost of Algorand toward the finish of 2023 will be 47 cents, and the normal least cost will be 40 cents. According to the Algorand cost estimate, a decent pinnacle of 60 cents by December 2022 makes certain to scale. Is Algorand a wise venture? Indeed, Algorand is a wise speculation as long as possible. Notwithstanding, it is additionally essential that you take care of business prior to putting resources into any task and see the figure for cost. The Algorand figure uncovers the normal long-haul most extreme cost might be around 90 cents by 2025. Where to purchase Algorand? At this moment, you can purchase ALGO at a lot of cryptographic money trades, including Binance. It is likewise accessible on Coinbase, OKEX, Huobi Worldwide, and Kraken. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange ALGO, you should move your computerized resources for that particular trade, which is done by means of a wallet framework. Is Algorand safe? Indeed, Algorand keeps up with protection from assaults at both the agreement convention level and the organization level, all while safeguarding the well-being of individual clients' records. What is the eventual fate of Algorand? As indicated by Algorand Cost Expectation 2025, the Algorand target cost is assessed to arrive at a normal of 70 cents. Algorand digital money can reach up to 90 cents by 2025, accomplishing new levels. Assessments communicated depend on different Algorand cost expectations and don't be guaranteed to mirror the genuine situation. Financial backers are mentioned to carry out their own groundwork on Algorand coins prior to going with any monetary choices to guarantee a high likelihood of productive venture, since Algorand works in a profoundly unstable cryptographic money market. What amount will Algorand be worth in 2030? In view of the Algorand